This is special Christmas edition.
Oh wait.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Checking the waves.
The challenge is to keep these on the whole day.
Oh no. Okay, wait. The camera is gonna turn to the good angle. Maybe we can show them the good waves. Look at this. Lion. Whoa.
I feel like it's usually bigger than it.
Oh, babe.
The left?
Babe, eat your breakfast right now. Eat your breakfast right now.
Okay, wait. I need to show them your outfit. You cannot... Yeah, you gotta go from the back. It's just too much in the front. There's too much going on.
You like what you're saying? Should definitely clean this car at some point.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Not your traditional Christmas this year.
Nope.
There's nobody on the road. Like, not a single person. As expected, but
Yeah,
maybe we're
everybody is unboxing gift right now and we're trying to get some waves. Merry Christmas, baby.
Merry Christmas, my love.
Merry Christmas.
Sexy thing, you. I believe in miracles. Since you came along, you sexy thing. Where did you come from, baby? How did you know I needed you? How did you know I needed you so badly? How did you know I'd give my heart gladly? Yesterday, I was one of the lonely people. Now you're lying close to me, making love to me. I believe in miracles. Where you from? You sexy thing, you. I believe in miracles.
That was tough.
That was tough.
I'm finally understanding what the little kids with their dads on the beach feel like. Down that way! Out the back! And you have no idea what they're saying, and there's just arms waving, and you're like, I don't know what that means. I was feeling a lot of pressure. Literally, the entire time.
Wait, let me see your
There's still more sand?
sandy.
It's shore break. He's like, oh, it's firing.
It is firing.
Babe, it's shore break.
It is firing.
Straight shore
There's no one out.
Yeah, because it's too high tide. Everybody left because it's bad now. I know that your passion in wanting me to get a good wave is coming from a good place. But sometimes I just want to have fun.
You're having fun.
I know, but I feel like you're like really want me to get a good wave more than I want to get a good wave.
A little poo-poo.
I know it comes from a good place, but it's pressure.
It's
But then Babe says
pressure. Pressure makes diamond.
Pressure makes diamond. You want to come hang out with me? This is why we love Portugal. €4 right here. Couldn't go wrong with a nice ham and cheese.
You sexy thing, you. I believe in miracles. Since you came along, you sexy thing. Oh, touch me. Kiss me, darling. I love the way you hold me, baby.
empty. The first and last place we ever lived in Portugal that we didn't own.
Uh-oh.
Nostalgic.
That's a big fact right there.
Nostalgic. Goodbye, cubicle of a house. The last moving bit. Still don't even have Tim's boards though. We have so much more stuff, but the last official night somewhere other than our house. This is such an exciting day. Bye-bye. Bisou, be careful. Look who it is, Speed Racer. Yee.
So, it's not the baby room, baby house anymore.
Should we give him a tour?
Yeah.
Can I help you?
Can I come in?
Come in. Okay, so we have the entryway. We have a lot of renovations that are happening. So for example, one door will be going in here, and another door will be going in here to separate the bottom unit to the upper unit. We will be Airbnb-ing this whole house. The bottom unit will be a 2-bedroom. So come on in. It's so messy. All right, this is the kitchen, obviously. We have a couple of renovations happening to the kitchen, as well as an island going in here, some freshening up of everything. And then this will be the living room. We'll have a couch, not a dog bed.
As of right now, this is our couch.
Yeah, they didn't have any bean bags at IKEA.
So that's the couch.
Yeah, obviously we got a pool. Both of these open up. And just across the street we have the famous Reserve of Sarah. Right near a pretty nice little walking trail. Nobody is going to build in front of our house. We have a cheeky little ocean view, but it's better from upstairs.
Yeah, I stopped it.
Oh, God. Give me a new cameraman. Okay. And then we have a super clean room where the twin bed will soon be removed.
There's about 20 surfboards in this room.
There's also a bathroom.
Yeah, we're not gonna show that.
Why? Is it presentable?
Okay, I'll show them the bathroom.
Well, yeah. People are gonna rent this eventually. They want to see what they're getting. Before it's nice, obviously. This is the bathroom.
Alright.
And then we have another common bathroom here, which still needs renovations. I can't believe we're showing the house right now and it's like this, but I promise it's gonna be better eventually.
You have to assume that they're gonna see the whole process because
True.
when
We're
we're
doing
gonna
all
come
that.
back from our trip.
Yeah. Wait, where are you going?
I'm
not done.
Oh, you're not done.
No, I'm not done. And then, so those are the 2 bedrooms that will be in the T2 down here. This will be a storage for all of our stuff. This is gonna be, the whole process and the renovating process of the house, getting it ready to Airbnb. It's going to be in a separate vlog. So everything's gonna look a lot prettier. But, when we come upstairs to an even cleaner upstairs.
Our shit is everywhere.
Well, and the renovation process has been started, as you can see. The workers are at lunch right now, but this is where the real view is at.
There's gonna be a kitchen right here with an island, and that's some of the view.
And this is all basically a replica of downstairs. So we have the same 3 rooms set up, but all 3 rooms will be available up here. And we also have a cheeky little studio over here that will be a T0 with a kitchen.
It's not the prettiest day to show the house, but you know.
Yeah, it is what it is. We just moved in. Going from our cubicle life that we've had every day in Portugal to this is a bit of a change.
This is gonna be the master bedroom.
It was just freshly painted. We're gonna be making lots of changes though, like a lot of changes. So we're excited to show you guys that vlog and that whole process because that will be fun. Just take the camera off me right while I'm talking. Not even looking, not even in the frame.
Ellie's beauty mess.
Pretty crazy to have such a big change to a house like this. You need a vlogging lesson. And I'll give you a vlogging lesson, you give me an editing lesson.
Have you checked the forecast?
That's your job.
Really? Well, check it.
What you can do though, babe, is you can welcome everyone to the vlog. Yeah, let's see it.
No,
let's put
I'm
you
not
on a
doing
nice
this, babe.
white.
There is no entry in this vlog. Welcome back to the vlog. Although it's already like mid-vlog. Christmas surf and cut back to the clips. Do you guys think that's enough? Can we put the clips now?
Negative thought. Negative thought.
What's the forecast looking like, babe?
Babe, the forecast is looking like dog shit. It's like there's like four 4-meter swells coming in the next 3 weeks.
So what do we do?
We're getting the fuck out of here. Out of here.
Ooh.
3 weeks trip, 3 t-shirt, 1 t-shirt per week.
No.
1 board short, 1 short,
So you're not coming to the
1
gym.
pants.
So you're not coming to the gym with Mia on this trip.
No.
Not at all.
We're going to the Caribbean. We're going to have some nice Heinekens and curry, you know. Look how pretty it is. It's crazy.
Gonna go have a look at the sunset for the last night in Portugal. I need to stop singing everything. New house, last night in Portugal. Sound like an idiot.
You're the way that I want you. Move for me. Did you believe in us? Did you believe in trust? 'Cause I've been thinking it over. And you're the way that I want you. When we're alone in the dark. And I can take you right now. You're the way that I want you. Move for me. You say believing, trusting.
How's this for home?
Best place on earth. Well, that was fun. We're gonna end it there. Gonna have to go to Caribbean tomorrow. We have our first stop in Miami. We're gonna stay 2 days in a hotel. That would be a good time to edit.
Hopefully while you guys are seeing this vlog, we are chilling in Miami in a hotel room.
Hopefully, yeah.
On to the next adventure.
On to the next adventure, Caribbean.
Stay tuned for more. We have a hell of a 2024 lined up, so hopefully it all comes together.
It will.
Bye,
Let's
guys.
go.
Bye. Like and subscribe.
Yeah. It's always annoying to ask, huh? But like and subscribe, motherfuckers.
We would appreciate it. Bye.
Something